Feeling weaker as you age? It's something we all face, but here's the kicker. It doesn't have to be inevitable. After 60, muscle loss is something that affects nearly everyone. We lose up to 3% of our muscle mass every year after the age of 60, and it's one of those silent changes we often don't notice until it's too late. But what if you could do something about it? What if I told you there are 7 simple foods that can help you maintain strong muscles for years to come? That's right. These foods don't just help with strength, they help you keep your independence and vitality. They fight off the natural decline of muscle mass and keep you feeling energetic, confident, and ready to take on life. Stick with me, because I'm about to reveal these game-changing foods that you'll want to add to your routine today. We're going to dive deep into why these foods work, how they'll help you stay strong, and some simple, practical ways to incorporate them into your diet. And trust me, this is going to shock a lot of people, especially if you think muscle health after 60 is a lost cause. Let's get started. Section 1. The muscle crisis after 60. Did you know that after the age of 60, you lose up to 3% of your muscle mass every year? That's right, 3%. It may not sound like much at first, but when you add it up over the years, it's a huge deal. Muscle loss directly impacts your strength, balance, and even your metabolism. So, when you start losing muscle, you might feel weaker, tire out quicker, and even notice that your metabolism is slowing down, making it harder to stay fit and active. But here's the thing. You don't have to accept it as the new normal. What's worse is that if you don't take action, this gradual muscle loss can spiral into something much more serious. It can lead to a higher risk of falls, fractures, and a loss of independence. In fact, muscle weakness is one of the biggest contributors to a decline in overall quality of life after 60. The reality is that muscle loss affects nearly every part of your life, from lifting groceries to walking upstairs, to playing with your grandkids. It's an issue that, if left unchecked, can make aging feel a lot harder. But, and this is the important part, there's good news. You don't have to accept muscle loss as a given. With the right foods, you can slow down, stop, and even reverse muscle loss. It's all about nourishing your muscles with the nutrients they need to stay strong. And today, I'm going to share with you 7 powerful foods that will completely change the game when it comes to keeping your muscles strong and vibrant, no matter your age. Section 2. The 7 foods to keep your muscles strong. 7. Greek yogurt, protein powerhouse. Let's start with Greek yogurt. This one's a true powerhouse for muscle health. Packed with protein and calcium, Greek yogurt gives your muscles exactly what they need for recovery and growth. The high protein content helps rebuild muscle fibers after exercise, and the calcium supports bone strength, essential as you age. It's a double threat that works overtime to keep you strong. The best part? It's super versatile. You can add it to smoothies, enjoy it as a snack, or even use it as a base for sauces and dips. It's one of the easiest ways to fuel your muscles, and it's so simple to incorporate into your day. A small bowl of Greek yogurt with some berries can give you the boost you need to keep your muscles working efficiently and your bones strong. Try making it a daily habit, you won't regret it. 6. Spinach and AMP, leafy greens. The anti-inflammatory power. Next up, spinach and leafy greens. These greens are packed with nutrients that are absolutely crucial for muscle health. Not only are they rich in magnesium and iron, which are vital for muscle function, but they're also powerful anti-inflammatories. As you age, reducing inflammation becomes essential for maintaining muscle function, and leafy greens do just that. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are incredibly easy to add to any meal. Toss some spinach into your omelet or blend it into your smoothie for a quick, healthy boost. These greens don't just help your muscles, they're also great for your overall health, including heart and digestive health. So, if you haven't already, start adding them to your meals. You're giving your muscles the nutrients they crave. 5. Eggs, the muscle-building goldmine. Let's talk about eggs. Often overlooked, eggs are one of the best foods you can eat to support muscle health. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, which is the building block for muscle repair and growth. The yolk, which is rich in omega-3s and vitamin D, is especially beneficial for maintaining strength and boosting recovery. Don't think of eggs as just a breakfast food. They're perfect for any time of day. Make scrambled eggs with spinach for a protein-packed meal, or keep hard-boiled eggs on hand for a quick, satisfying snack. They're easy to prepare, filling, and, best of all, they're incredibly affordable. So don't skip out on this muscle-building goldmine. Eggs should definitely be a part of your daily diet. 4. Salmon, omega-3 magic. Coming in at number 4 is salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and these are some of the most important nutrients for maintaining muscle health. Omega-3s help reduce muscle inflammation and promote faster recovery after exercise, which is essential for keeping muscles strong as we age. Plus, omega-3s support overall joint health, making it easier for you to move freely. For muscle recovery, salmon is one of the best options. Aim for at least 2 servings of salmon each week. It's versatile, too. You can grill it, bake it, or even add it to salads or pasta dishes for a delicious, protein-packed meal. Adding salmon to your weekly routine is an easy way to get the omega-3 boost your muscles need. 3. Quinoa, the plant-based protein. Now, let's talk quinoa, especially if you're not a meat eater. Quinoa is a complete plant-based protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle recovery and growth. Unlike many plant proteins, quinoa is a full protein source, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians or anyone looking to boost muscle health without animal products. Quinoa is easy to cook and incredibly versatile. You can serve it as a side dish, toss it in a salad, or even make it the base of a grain bowl. It's also gluten-free, making it a great option for people with gluten sensitivities. Quinoa isn't just good for your muscles, it's good for your overall health. Give it a try and see how easy it is to incorporate it into your meals. 2. Almonds and AMP. Walnuts, nutrient-dense snacking. Next on the list are almonds and walnuts. These nuts are nutrient-dense, meaning they pack a punch when it comes to supporting muscle health. They're loaded with healthy fats, magnesium, and protein, all of which are essential for muscle function. Plus, nuts help you stay full for longer, which is key for maintaining energy throughout the day. A handful of almonds or walnuts makes the perfect snack between meals. Not only do they support your muscles, but they're also heart-healthy, boosting your overall wellness. You can throw them in a salad, top off your oatmeal, or simply enjoy them as a quick snack. Add them to your daily routine for a convenient and powerful muscle-boosting snack. 1. Lean protein, chicken, turkey, etc. The muscle builder. And finally, at number 1, we have lean proteins like chicken and turkey. These are your go-to muscle builders. Lean meats are packed with high-quality protein, the most important nutrient for muscle growth and repair. The protein from lean meats is essential for maintaining muscle mass and helping you recover after physical activity. If you're aiming to keep your muscles strong, try to include 20-30 grams of protein in each meal. Chicken, turkey, or even lean cuts of beef provide the protein you need, without all the extra fat. If you're not a fan of meat, don't worry, plant-based proteins like beans and tofu are great alternatives. Make lean protein a regular part of your diet, and you'll see and feel the difference in your muscle strength. These detailed scripts for each food provide enough insight to keep the audience engaged, while delivering actionable information to help them incorporate these foods into their diet. Let me know when you're ready for the next section. Section 3. How to make these foods work for you. Okay, so you know what the 7 foods are, but how do you actually get them into your life? It's all about making it simple and convenient. Let's break it down. No complicated recipes or hours spent in the kitchen. Just quick, muscle-strengthening meals you can prepare in less than 10 minutes a day. First, for breakfast, try a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with almonds and a drizzle of honey. You've got your protein from the yogurt, healthy fats from the almonds, and a little sweetness to kickstart your day. It's a perfect combo for your muscles and won't take you more than 5 minutes to put together. For lunch, how about grilled chicken with a side of quinoa and leafy greens? The chicken gives you lean protein, quinoa offers plant-based protein, and those leafy greens provide vital nutrients. Toss it all together for a meal that fuels your muscles and keeps you full and satisfied for hours. If you're craving a snack, whip up a spinach smoothie with protein powder and walnuts. This one is packed with everything your muscles need: protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. It's a great way to give your muscles a quick boost between meals, and it only takes a few minutes. These meals are fast, simple, and packed with muscle-boosting nutrients. Once you start making them a regular part of your routine, you'll start feeling the difference in your energy, strength, and overall muscle tone. Section 4. The bigger picture, exercise and AMP. Lifestyle. Now, here's the thing. You can't just rely on food alone. Exercise is just as critical when it comes to maintaining muscle strength. These foods fuel your muscles, but you need to move them to keep them strong and functional. Remember, it's a combination of proper nutrition and physical activity that will really make a difference. Don't worry, you don't need a gym membership or a ton of equipment to make this work. Simple strength exercises, like walking with weights or using resistance bands, can be done right at home. Just 10-15 minutes a few times a week will help maintain muscle strength, improve mobility, and keep you feeling strong and active. The key is consistency. Make it a habit, and your muscles will thank you. Whether it's walking, light weight training, or even yoga, moving your body will help keep you feeling strong, and it'll complement the muscle-boosting foods you're eating. So there you have it. 7 powerful foods that can help keep your muscles strong and healthy after 60. But remember, it's up to you to make these foods a regular part of your routine. It doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Start small, and you'll see big results. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite muscle-boosting food? Or maybe you have a favorite muscle-strengthening recipe you want to share? Leave a comment below, and let's talk about it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips. And remember, staying strong after 60 starts with the right food and the right mindset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.